All right, guys, so we got our landed cost dialed in at $4.78. We're happy about that. That includes everything. So we need to plug it back into our handy FBA calculator and determine a final verdict on what our ROI is going to be and what our profit margin is going to be. Just so we know, right? So I'm on Amazon. I clicked on a workout glove that's going to be similar to ours. Again, it's going to be similar size, dimensions, and weight to our glove. So we know that these numbers are going to be quite on par with ours. So let's come up here to this Chrome extension, Ultimate FBA Calculator. Click on it, and it's going to spit out all this information. Now, the only thing we have to do, we're not shipping by freight. See this $200 right here? We're not shipping it by freight. We're putting this at 0. We already figured out our air shipping cost and baked it into our unit manufacturing cost already, right? So we baked it in. We're going to put $4.78. And the only thing left that you can play with would be the price up here. So this guy's selling price is pretty high. This is what you're going to want to play around with. But anyway, let's calculate this. So literally on our very first order of this product, we can go out there right out of the gate and have 187% ROI, have a almost 45% profit margin, and almost $9 profit per unit. It's absolutely insane, okay? It may not mean a whole lot to you who are brand new to this business, but to be able to do that on your very first product, very first order, because remember the first order is most likely always going to be the worst profit on, because you're ordering a low amount. You don't know what you're doing. There's more room to make mistakes on certain things that might add a couple costs here and there. Again, it's your first order, right? So to be able to pull this off is incredible. You can adjust this price. I mean, heck, if we were to even lower this to 18, we're still making over a 40% margin, right? That's incredible. So everything checks off in my book. Everything seems like a home run. It's all a winner. High profit product, low risk, no liability concern with this product. It seems to tick all the boxes in my book. So again, we got our winner. We know what we want to do. And yeah, I hope these last couple of videos have been utterly just ridiculously value packed for you guys, because I certainly don't see anyone else out there teaching this kind of stuff in this sort of a methodical manner of just having a systematic action plan, that you can duplicate. The beauty with this stuff is you can repeat this product after product, duplicate it. You now know exactly what your numbers are before even sourcing the product. So insanely valuable stuff. Please take some time to soak this all in. You might have to watch this video or the previous one a few times, and that's quite all right. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks a lot for tuning in.